Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jennifer. I am a antique booth owner. My booth is called Oak and Iron, and I do home decor, thrifting, repurposing lost and unloved items, and I also restore and refinish furniture. So if you like what you see, please follow along. So today we are going to do a DIY tutorial on these picture frames. So if you saw my last video, it was kind of a vlog video, and we bought these. We were at the thrift store. My nieces came by, thrifted with me, and we picked these up. So if you can see, one is a lighter. There we go. One is lighter than the other. It's because I felt like this was a little too dark. It was a little too dark for my taste. So we are going to make it a little bit lighter. So stay tuned, and we are going to show you how to lighten up wood. Now, I will put a disclaimer in on this. I did get this idea from Instagram creator called Vintage Porch, and I will list her stuff below. She is awesome. She doesn't know I exist, but she is one of my favorite creators on Instagram, and I do follow her. But she does raw wood finish, but she takes finishes off using the oven cleaner method. And I've done that before, and it works just fine. But today we are going to use Barkeeper's Friend. And so I'm going to show you how to do it. Stay tuned. This is the one that we did with the Barkeeper's Friend earlier, and this is the one that we still have to do. So we're going to use Barkeeper's Friend, and what I've learned from the last time is we're just going to put it in a container. These brushes, and we are just going to brush it on. All right, everyone, it's been about 10 minutes. The timer went off, so we are going to take this one to the sink, and we are going to use scrubby brush, and then we are just going to use a degreaser dishwashing soap. So let's come on over to the sink, and we will wash our picture frames.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Alright, so these are what our picture frames look like after we did a coat of the Barkeeper's Friends. You can keep it looking like this, and this is just fine. This is actually really nice, but I want to show you how you can take it a step lighter. And I usually do this, and I can do this on furniture as well when I want that really raw light wood, is you can bleach it. And believe it or not, yes, you can bleach wood. Wood will bleach. I am using, and any household bleach will work, name brand, off brand, it doesn't matter. But what I am using is, it is just the regular bleach, and it has no odor in it, and this particular formula is a thick formula, so it has a gel-like consistency. But same brush that we used earlier that we got from Michael's, and I just put it in a bowl. With this particular one, I don't have to worry about the bleach smell, but you're just going to paint it on. When you're done, when it's done and dry, you're going to come and you're going to wash it off because you have to deactivate the bleach. So I just wash it off with Dawn dish soap and just clean it up. All right, everyone, we are at the point of where we are ready to top coat this. So just to recap, we have put Barkeeper's Friend on it, washed it, let it dry overnight. We had bleached them, washed it, and let it dry overnight. So this is how it is in its raw state. You can keep it like this. This is just fine. I like to top coat it with something, seal it with something. It could be anything. You can use wax, you can use a liquid wax, you can use a hard wax, you can use polyurethane, polycrylic. Anything is going to be just fine. But what we are going to use today is one of my favorites, polycrylic. I like mattes, so we're going to do clear matte. This one does not yellow over time, I feel like, or I have found. I love this in general finishes, and I love wax. Those are my typically the 3 products I use, but we're going to use this one today. Lightly sand. We're going to lightly sand, and then we're going to top coat. What I use is these 220 sanding blocks. I got this from Harbor Freight. You can buy them at Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, whatever hardware store you have in your area. You need to stir it, don't shake. You'll create air bubbles. You got to make sure that you get All right guys, we are finished with our picture frame redo. They turn out so cute. Here they are, and they're ready for the booth. So just to recap, we cleaned them off, we put Barkeeper's Friend to take the finish off, we bleached them, and then we just put a coat, of flat sealer on top, and they turned out great. Try not to get the, there we go. Trying to get not get the light glaring out. There we go. So this is what they turn out. They turn out so good. All the steps will be listed in the description below. All the products that I use will be listed in the description below. If I can link them, if I can figure out how to do it, I will link them. If I can't, I am so sorry. You can find them on Amazon, listed in the description below. If I can link them, if I can figure out how to do it, I will link them. If I can't, I am so sorry. You can find them on Amazon. So if you liked our project today and you want many more projects, please hit the subscribe button and follow me on social media. Instagram, oakandIron_designs. So, bye now. Okay, redo. And this is how it turned out. They turned out so cute. All right, guys, we are finished. I guess he wants to be in there. Of flat